The scope of a Bitwala account is essentially a bridge between traditional banking and the world of cryptocurrency, designed to be an all-in-one financial solution. It combines a fully functional German euro bank account with integrated crypto services. This means you get a personal IBAN for instant euro deposits and withdrawals, just like a regular European bank account. The crypto aspect is integrated seamlessly. You can hold, buy, and sell cryptocurrencies, primarily Bitcoin and Ether, directly within the same app and using funds from your euro account. The platform often provides both wallets for instant trading and self-custodial vaults for long-term secure storage, giving users full control over their private keys. Furthermore, the account scope includes a Visa debit card. This card allows you to spend your euros or convert your crypto instantly at the point of sale, anywhere Visa is accepted worldwide, and withdraw cash at ATMs. This makes Bitwala a complete ecosystem where you can manage fiat and digital assets side by side, moving between them instantly, and using your crypto for everyday transactions. In short, the Bitwala account scope is centered on financial freedom, providing a regulated, secure, German bank account that puts your euros and primary cryptocurrencies into one accessible and usable place, complete with instant trading, savings plans, and a global spending card.